three particular investments that I use for my passive income, and I've acquired some more cash, so I'm going to invest three equal amounts into these three stocks that I own. £57.06. I'm using the Trading 212 platform, which does not charge for making any investments, and I've got it in the ISA wrapper. So being an ISA wrapper, it's fully tax free. Any profit I make or any interest I get will be tax free, and I'm allowed to invest in this ISA up to £20,000 per annum. But this is one of the investments I use for my passive income. So I'm going to show you live how I do this. The first one is Coca-Cola, second is Realty Income, and the third is Vanguard FTSE All World High Dividend Yield ETF. So Coca-Cola is a basic stock where you own shares in a company. As you can see, I invested equal amounts at the time, but the actual total value of my investments vary. Coca-Cola is up £14, Realty Income is down £14, and Vanguard FTSE All World High Dividend Yield ETF is up £5. So we'll start with Coca-Cola, and we're going to go to buy, and we're going to invest 57.06. It's not numbers yet, the value 57.06. Done. Review order and send buy order. So send the buy order, order placed. It will execute after the market opens in 16 hours 52 minutes. This stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange, and we're in the UK, Greenwich Mean Time, and the time is now 21:38 in the evening on Thursday, the 19th of December. So that's the first one we've done. Just as a bit of background, we go to Coca-Cola. If we scroll down, we can see it pays a 3.11% dividend. And if we go to history, this is the buying history and the dividend history. I initially made an investment of £855.09. I got a dividend of £5.41 in October. And I bought some more shares because I had another dividend. I reinvested the dividend reinvested. We bought some more shares because I had invested some more cash in the ISA, and we've had another dividend of £6.52, which I'm yet to buy more shares with, but I will do that soon. So the next one we'll invest in is Realty Income. Coca-Cola is a straightforward stock where you own shares in a company. Realty Income is a real estate investment trust which actually owns properties, retail properties, I believe, and we'll just go to that, and that's got a very good Realty Income. The monthly dividend company is an S&P company dedicated to producing stockholders with dependable monthly income. Read more. The company is structured as a REIT, and the monthly dividends are supported by the cash flow from over 6,500 real estate properties owned under long-term lease agreements with our commercial clients. To date, the company has declared 608 consecutive common stock monthly dividends through its 52-year operating history. So it's a good paying REIT, and it pays a 6.03% dividend yield. So I'm going to buy an equal amount of shares in this REIT, buy, and the value is going to be 57.06, which is the same as I invested in Coca-Cola. Done. Review order. Send by order. Order is placed. It will be executed after the markets open in 16 hours 48 minutes. As I said, this one is also traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Moving on to the last one we invest in. It's the Vanguard FTSE All World High Dividend Yield Distribution ETF. This is a fund that invests in stocks listed in the FTSE index that pay high dividends. And as you can see, the performance has done quite well over its history. But we can see the history over a year. Its performance has done rather well. It's down a bit now. 3 monthly, 1 monthly, 1 week, and 1 day. So you get a good overall view how this ETF has performed. And we go to history. You can see I made my initial investment of 855.09, which was an equal investment with my 2 other income generating stocks. That was on the 11th of July, and we had a dividend payment of 6.05, and I reinvested that back in 7th of October. And I've since then purchased some more, £126. But going back, we'll scroll up, we can see we've bought one, and it should say pending orders, up and coming event stats. I'll come back to that in a second. You own, right, so we go back to that one, and the last one, that was the last one we've invested in. So that's the 3 stocks, good variety, Coca-Cola, independent, USA based company that sells the world famous Coca-Cola drink throughout the world. They give good income on a regular basis, and the value of the stock has grown. Realty Income is an ETF, exchange traded fund, and Vanguard invests in some high dividend paying companies. So a nice spread, and I'm using the Trading 212 app on my mobile phone, and it's in the ISA wrapper, so there are no taxation charges at all. Hope you found this interesting. A little update on my passive income adventure. At the moment, I'm not needing the passive income, so any dividend I get, I'm reinvesting. As you can see, I've done with these. I've got Coca-Cola still to make another investment, because I've got a dividend earlier on this month. So, hope you found this interesting. Any questions, comments, more than welcome. Till next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.